Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today I'm showing you a Tamil Nadu style recipe called Kumbakonam Kadappa. Now this is a side dish that you can have with idli, dosa, chapati, puri, etc. So if you're looking for an easy dinner side dish, then this is the one for you. So the ingredients list is given below. Do check it out. And for more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell. So let's jump right in. So in a pressure cooker, I've taken some moong dal and small onions. I'm just going to slightly saute it for a few seconds. And then we're going to add the next ingredient, which is turmeric and salt. I'm going to mix this also and add potato to this. I've taken one medium-sized potato and cut it into two and added it. Now we're going to add enough water to cook the dal and the potatoes. Mix everything together. Now we'll just cover the pressure cooker and let this cook for 3 whistles on high. So I'm going to close the cooker and let it pressure cook. So after the pressure has released, I've opened the cooker. You can see the potato and the dal is cooked together. Now we'll just mash the potatoes nicely. So I'm going to just mash it down to smaller pieces. And then we'll keep this aside and start with the next process. So next we have to make a paste of coconut, fennel seeds, khaskhas or poppy seeds, roasted gram, cashew nuts and green chilies. We'll ground it to a smooth paste. Now in a pan I've heated some oil. I'm adding some mustard seeds to splatter in it. Then we add some curry leaves. And we'll pour in the pressure cooked ingredients. Once that comes to a boil, we'll add in the ground paste of the cashew and coconut and the rest of the ingredients and then give it a nice mix. Now on low flame, we'll just let this come to a mild boil. So you can see it started boiling slightly and it's time to switch off the gas. And your curry is ready. The Kumbakonam Kadappa. Have it with any dish that you like and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new video. Bye bye.